Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel NavitaTutorials. How are you friends? So today I am going to share with you essay on Holi. So let's start the video. So the first line is Holi is the festival of Hindu. Second line is Holi is festival of colors. Third line is it is celebrated in March. Fifth line is we worship Holika. Sixth line is we play with colors. Seventh line is we eat sweets. Eighth line is Gujia is a special sweet dish of Holi. Ninth line is we meet our family and relatives in Holi. And the last line is Holi is the festival of unity.